Get rid of the problem with a mosquito coil? Your home will be safe. Crush the coil into small pieces and grind them into a fine powder using a mortar and pestle. Mosquito coils contain ingredients that repel rodents, making them a great tool for keeping them away. If you're dealing with mice or rats in your home or basement, this trick is for you. Transfer the powder to a small bowl. Now, take some peanuts. Their strong scent and high fat content naturally attract rodents. Grind the peanuts into a fine texture and add them to the bowl with the mosquito coil powder. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix well. Take a few tomatoes and cut them in half. Sprinkle a small amount of the prepared green powder on each tomato half. Then top it with the ground peanuts. This combination effectively lures rodents. Place the prepared bait on a plate and set it in areas where rodents might enter your home. This simple trick will help keep unwanted guests away and protect your space effectively. Grate a candle using a grater. I'll show you a unique method you've likely never heard of. Start with a regular candle, either new or leftover. It's a great way to use scraps that might otherwise go to waste. Use the coarse side of the grater to create shavings. Paraffin has exceptional properties. It's durable, moisture-resistant, and an excellent carrier for other ingredients. Transfer the shavings to a small bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the shavings. The aroma of sugar acts as a magnet, and its structure blends easily with other ingredients. Next, take a few walnuts, remove their shells, and finely chop them. Walnuts have a strong scent and natural oils. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts to the mixture. Thoroughly combine all the ingredients into a uniform blend. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and tear off a larger piece, then divide it into smaller rectangles. Place 1 tablespoon of the mixture onto each piece. Spread these portions near areas like balcony windows or doors. This simple homemade method helps repel rodents. This blend will keep your home free of mice and rats. Rats and mice disappear within a minute. You don't have to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your home from unwanted rodents. The first thing you need is a plastic bowl. Pour 3 tablespoons of flour into the bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of powdered yeast. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of grated cheese. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the bowl outside your home or by the front door. You can also sprinkle the mixture at entry points to your home. The cheese aroma will attract mice, but when they start consuming the mixture, the remaining ingredients will ferment in their stomachs. They won't be able to digest the yeast and flour, so they won't survive this mixture. I guarantee that this natural trap will work perfectly. With this simple solution, you can quickly and effectively get rid of rodents without the need for chemicals. Do it this way. Just 1 hour is enough. If you place this in your home, mosquitoes and other insects will disappear. You won't see a single fly anymore. And all without buying expensive and harmful chemicals. This way you'll get rid of insects once and for all. Just place it by the window in a room corner or on a shelf. You won't have to bother with insects anymore. Pour a cup of water into a pot. Add 5 tablespoons of regular white sugar. Water with sugar is the perfect bait for all insects. Place the pot on the stove and turn it on. When the water starts heating up, begin stirring the mixture thoroughly. The sugar must dissolve. Now, add a tablespoon of dry yeast and turn off the stove. Dissolve the yeast. Let the pot cool down. Take an empty 2-liter bottle. Cut it at 1/3 of its height. You can do this with scissors or an upholstery knife. Pour the yeast and sugar mixture into the bottle. Insert the cut-off inverted part of the bottle. There should be no cap on it. Wrap decorative paper around it. This way, not only will the trap be reliable, but also aesthetic. The scent of yeast and sugar will attract all the insects in the house. Fruit flies, house flies, mosquitoes will disappear. You won't have to worry about them anymore. Rats and mice will avoid your home. You don't need to buy harmful traps. This method will protect your house from unwanted rodents. grab a lemon, specifically its peel. Its strong aroma makes it perfect for this trick. Cut it into small cubes and place them in a glass container, like a jar. Next, take about 3 cloves of garlic, peel them and chop them finely. Add the chopped garlic to the jar with the lemon. Mice also dislike the smell of coffee, so add a tablespoon of ground coffee to the jar. Another key ingredient is a handful of cloves, known for their strong scent that repels mice and some insects. Pour vinegar over all the ingredients. Let the mixture sit for 48 hours, allowing everything to intensify its effects. After that, strain the mixture and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Now, simply spray around the entrance of your home. This is the best natural repellent that will surely keep mice away from your property. Get rid of rats and mice with ordinary Chinese instant noodles. This simple homemade method costs pennies and is effective. If you have a problem with mice running into your house from the field or rats living in your basement, this trick is for you. Just 1 serving of this mixture is enough. To prepare it, you'll need Chinese instant noodles. Crush them into small pieces. Their smell and taste will attract rodents. Also, add a large amount of sugar. It also attracts pests. It will be a trap because the next ingredient is baking soda. Add a generous amount. If it is eaten by rats, they will never appear in your basement again. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Place the prepared bowl in the basement corridor. It will effectively attract rodents to it. The soda in their stomachs will start producing gases that they won't be able to expel. This way, you can get rid of the entire group. You've never used cotton pads like this before. They'll make your problem disappear. Grab a medium-sized plastic plate and cover it with cotton pads. These pads absorb liquids. By using this simple solution, you'll avoid harsh chemicals and keep your space pest-free. Next, pour vinegar over them, a natural repellent. Add oil to each pad. Olive oil or essential oil works too. This enhances the vinegar's effect. Sprinkle a pinch of red pepper on each pad and don't forget ground black pepper, a product rodents avoid. This mix has a strong scent that repels pests. You can also place them near windows and doors to create a barrier that mice won't want to cross. Place these traps in areas prone to rodents, like basements or garages. Replace every few days to keep them effective. This method is safe, non-toxic, and easy to prepare with common household items.